What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. So today we're gonna be going over Baby Doge. It's been a minute since I made a video because just traveling. But anyways, we're gonna go straight over Baby Doge today. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe, all that good stuff. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and it's financial advice. Definitely check out cryptomillionaires.shop. But let's go over Baby Doge. So for one, we're not really gonna cover too much technicals. My indicators are kind of making some. It's just having problems with indicators, but what I am seeing right now, Baby Doge is still making its way down here to the support of 8Z2250. So we're still making our way down here to that support. So we should be there very soon. Now, other than that, Baby Doge is like literally it came out of this wedge pattern here. So we're still, as like I said, making our way down there. But that doesn't mean that Baby Doge is like bearish. This just means it's like a consolidation phase. It's like literally trickling down to that support. So I think once we get closer to there, we should have a bullish run, but it's just going to be a matter of time for us to work our way down there. But now, as for Bitcoin's kind of on the same path here. If you actually look over here for Bitcoin, you can see that we're literally at the same resistance. Obviously it's not the same level, but it's still at the same area. So Bitcoin has been hitting this resistance for a while. So the whole overall crypto market, overall it's been kind of static, which it's kind of good, kind of bad. Like if we actually break the resistance here, then that's gonna be really big for us if we can actually break that resistance, right? Now, on the 12th of this month, they're going to be releasing the inflation rate, the year-over-year inflation rate. So they're going to be talking about that on the 12th, and that's going to be for the U.S. So this is pretty interesting because if it's a high rate and it's like not going down, and they're seeing that it's not improving, then obviously they might make some interest rate hikes again. So that could mess up things, but we'll have to see what happens for that day, for the 12th, and then the PPI is going to be released on the 13th. But we're just gonna pay attention to that when it gets closer. So on the 12th, I'll let you know about that. But as of right now, Bitcoin is still hitting this resistance. It's at 28K, and really, it does not want to get above 28K. Like 30K is what Bitcoin pretty much needs to do to pass to actually become bullish and stay bullish. But for some reason, we just can't get above that 28K area. It's just holding us back, right? But still, it's still all right. But moving on from here, Baby Doge is only down 1.2% in the last 24 hours. Not too bad. The volume is a little bit, decent. It's 4.2 million. Could be higher, but it's a decent volume to have, to be honest. So that's also doing all right as well. And like I said, with Bitcoin, it's still stagnant. Like everything has been stagnant. But coming up inside the next few days, we're gonna have some movement. They're gonna be releasing that inflation rate. So when they actually do that, that's going to pretty much show us whether or not we're going to continue to be bullish or not. So we're going to have to wait for that. But as for holders, we have been growing with the holders over the days. So we're now at 1,721,613 holders. So that's also a lot of holders as well. And yeah, a lot more people have been joining the Baby Doge already. So shout out to all the new people out there joining. Big shout out to you all. We've had a lot of stuff since I've been absent here on YouTube. Like I said, I'll be coming back and making more videos because I'm 13 hours ahead of where I was at now. So right now I'm recording is 12:28 p.m., but where I was at it's 1:28 p.m. So yeah, or 1:28 a.m. So yeah, it's a huge difference, but I'm gonna get back on that. But anyways, let's talk about this. So over here with the BSC chain daily, they're talking about the volume for all the coins, and we've captured the greatest social volume. Obviously, we're always winning for social volume on BNB chain. Like it literally always happens, even though PancakeSwap is way above us, like financially, we are still way above them socially. So Baby Doge is a community coin, so obviously we're going to be on top for all these for the Binance Smart Chain. So that's a good thing about Baby Doge. Now, this is also really big. This is really nice. I know you all probably already know about this, but I have to come here and talk about it because this is actually solid. This is solid advertisement, and it's physical advertisement. So it's a Baby Doge billboard right here, and yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and enhance it. You can see here babydoge.com. So yeah, they had a billboard up here. So yeah, that's pretty interesting to see. I honestly don't know where this is. They don't really mention where it is, but yeah, it's somewhere. But yeah, they didn't really mention it. But it was pretty much a teaser to this, and Ant Network is now integrated with Baby Doge. So they're the first gasless Web3 gig marketplace. So that's pretty interesting. A gig marketplace, that's what they call themselves. So if you want to look that up, you can go ahead and do it. And it's really interesting. You can go ahead and go to their Twitter if you want to, and click on the network that they have, and check that out. I'm not going to do too much on it because I don't use it personally, so I won't be able to tell you much about it, to be honest. But you can come here and you can look at it if you want. But moving on from all that, though, let's talk about some more stuff. So we are listed on a new exchange. It's not the biggest exchange out there now. It's called DeepCoin. So if you want to go ahead and look at it, you can definitely check it out. You can buy and sell with 0% trading fees here, and that's what they're talking about. A lot of people in the comments, they'll ask me like, where can I buy Baby Doge? If y'all want to do like a centralized exchange type thing, you can just come over to something like DeepCoin or all the other stuff. Like we have a lot of different things that are adding us. But yeah, this is I think this is either Chinese or Japanese. I don't know. It's one of those two. I can't read the letters. So yeah, you could come here and check this out. It looks more like Chinese. But yeah, check it out if you want to, all that good stuff. I can't read that, so we're gonna click off. But anyways, let's go over a full rundown of everything that happened with Baby Doge when I was gone, right? And now we're gonna be doing it like we're gonna be constant on this. So I'm gonna be on this every day. But starting off, our followers on Twitter are almost at 1.9 million followers, right? So we're live on Bybit. CoinMarketCap featured the most viewed coin globally, and they featured us on that. Hotbit giveaway, we had that. All those burned tokens, which we'll talk about in a little bit here. Some more burned on the burn portal, which we'll also talk about that. Bybit Live, I already put that up twice. CoinGate feature, CryptoSource.tech feature, the CryptoBasic.com feature. So these are just websites promoting us. I don't know if it's free promotion or not. Maybe they paid. I don't know. But then we had the Rough Haven Impact video. They're the animal shelter that we always donate to. So they made a whole video stating that they wouldn't be able to do what they do without the Baby Doge Army. So big shout out to them. Big shout out to the Baby Doge Army for making it happen. And North Shore Animal League, we had a video with them as well. CoinGecko feature, they featured us on a post. Mathematic AMA, we had an AMA with them. We have the only free token locker, blah, blah, blah. Chirply locked 1% of their tokens with us. Navis locked 12% of their tokens with us. 1.4 million burn announcement. Binance Smart Chain daily, a lot of stuff. I can go on and on and on. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on with Baby Doge, but let's just talk about Baby Doge Swap now. So speaking on Baby Doge Swap, we'll first look at the info here. So our liquidity is actually increasing a lot. We have $57.42 million in liquidity. That's a lot. Now the volume is very low. The volume is at $209,000. I won't lie there. We need more volume. That's very low. We need a lot more volume. But we're doing pretty good. Even our burns are still doing decent. 3.4 trillion burns in the last 24 hours, which comes out to about 8.9K. And then looking at our burn portal over here, you can see, it's still increasing a lot. Ever since the burn event happened, though, people have been burning less, which is completely understandable. But yeah, it's definitely nice to see that we're still progressing there on the burn portal. But as for over here, where our APR is down a little bit. Before I left over here to get to Thailand, it was at 57%. Now it's at 49%. So that's pretty interesting. $3.9 million total liquidity, $9.25. So yeah, that's how much I have inside my rewards. So yeah, it's still increasing. And yeah, I'm gonna leave this money in here, and I'm gonna let it grow permanently. So I'm just gonna let it keep coming in. Eventually, I'm gonna put more in there. I know I keep saying that, but eventually I will. But yeah, it's definitely doing a lot, and it's doing pretty good. I think total in rewards, I've gotten like $40 to $50 in rewards with the amount that I have, and I have like $150 in there, but I burned like $20 worth of those rewards already. So yeah, I usually burn my rewards, but this one I'm probably not going to burn it. I'm just going to reinvest it because it'll be better, so that you can keep increasing and compounding. But yeah, let's speak on DeFi Llama. So as you can see over here, we're at rank 104 on DeFi Llama. We are 13.65% up in the last 24 hours on DeFi Llama, and that's how much we are up with our liquidity. And 13% inside the last 7 days, and 35% inside the last 30 days. So we're doing fairly well here. So shout out to the Baby Doge Army for making this possible. Shiba Swap, we're doing way better. I mean, shout out to the Shiba Army too, but let's just be honest, we're doing better in a lot of different DeFi projects here. But we'll continue to do better in the future. It's just going to take some time to continue to grow. But hey, this is pretty much what I got for you all today, though. So definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto merch in the game. And also, I'm going to be making my videos early in the morning. Well, it depends on where you're at, really. Everyone's inside different areas in the world. 12:35 p.m. here, but back where I was in Florida, it was like it's like 1:35 a.m. now. Yeah, 1:35 a.m. now where I was. But anyway, shout out to you all. I'm gonna go ahead and make some more videos. Stay tuned, and as always, I'll be back with another video.